Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your DHCP client service is not working, then watch this video to make it work again. So the first thing but the obvious thing is to make sure that the DHCP is enabled in the system. So for that we need to press the Windows and the R key simultaneously and we need to enter ncpa.cpl, press enter. We will enter the network connections window and we will right click on this, click on status and then details, and we will see DHCP enabled. Yes, okay, so that is not the problem, but if your DHCP is not enabled, then that should be the problem. And the next thing we need to do is we need to restart the DHCP client service now that we're sure that DHCP is enabled. So we'll go to services, we will look for DHCP client, right click and click on restart. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to replace the uh, DNS with the Google DNS. So Windows and the R button, again ncpa.cpl, and we will right click on this, go to properties. In this we will click on Internet Protocol version 4 and we will use the following DNS server address. We'll click on this and we will enter the preferred DNS server is 8.8.8.8 and the alternate DNS server is 8.8.4.4 and click on OK. OK, and this should solve the problem. Finally, if this doesn't solve the issue, then the only thing we can do is we can update the network adapter driver. For that we need to look for device manager, click on this and we will look for network adapters, expand on it and we will see this MediaTek Wi-Fi. Right click on it and click on update driver and then restart the computer and your DHCP client service should start working again. If this video solved your issue, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.